Today, we talk about...
Alright, so these are kind of interesting. Why don't we just let Scott in?
So, these be Air Trainer 3 Quick Strike. And that's probably why I had to pay so much for them, because they clearly didn't release a ton of numbers of these. But anyway, bop. Beautiful bop of this Medicine Ball Brown, which is the name of the colorway for these. These were Bo Jackson's third signature shoe. And I have the original one, and as well as the Air Trainer 1, which technically was his unofficial, what do you call it? Unofficial kind of endorsement shoe, but also with John McEnroe, the tennis player, he was more known for that, I want to say, but I wasn't around for that era, really, so.
It is what it is.
But anyway, yeah, man, I mean, I just knew the minute I saw this LeBron watch, which is kind of interesting how they're using LeBron to market retros that are coming back. And I got to say, it worked on me, because I noticed those, and I didn't want those, but I definitely wanted these, and these sold out. So, you know, it is what it is. Cool tumbling to the leather there. Cool sole that I haven't seen really before, to be honest with you, so whatever. But let me quickly get these on feet, and or actually before I do that, why don't y'all come with me? What it do, cuz? All right, never mind that, goon. Let's step in here and find the section we're interested in right here. So these were the Air Trainer 3s. Still waiting on a pair of Air Trainer 2s to return in either the Citron or the Infrared, although I'm leaning towards the Citron, or was it Citrus? I can't remember. Anyway, so this was the Air Trainer 1 and the original chlorophyll colorway. The way Nike markets it, they say this was the first ever cross-trainer shoe by Tinker Hatfield, of course, where he noticed, like, hey, why don't I just have one pair of shoes to be able to do all kinds of activities at the gym in and not have to switch out shoes for all different types of ish. So there you go, the Nike Air on the butt, Nike Air on the ish, and the strap, and you guys know what's about to happen next.
Get to the strap.
All right. All right, so yeah, man, and then this was the... What was the technical name for this thing? I'm already forgetting now. But this was basically the Bo Jackson's, because it had the Auburn colorway, because that's where he went to college and played sports. And this was the Air Trainer SC, I want to say. I think that was the official name of these, the SC, and those were the Air Trainer ones. Those became the Air Trainer 3s, and then the Air Trainer 2s I will add to the collection once a appropriate colorway comes back. I'm not going to lie to you, Fulmer Simpson recently did a video on the Georgia colorway or Atlanta colorway, the Olympics colorway, the one that had like the peach theme to it and all the different crazy colors to it. That colorway actually looks really dope. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I had to stick to the OG as far as this goes. And this is beautiful too. I've been waiting to bust these out. So maybe when I'm back in June, because this really does strike me as a June shoe with all the bops of blue, orange to them. So, hey, yo. And along the same lines with the LeBron watch, I recently noticed, as soon as I talked about these last time I was here, Nike announced that they're bringing these back. So the LeBron watch came out, and then these are going to be coming out soon. And depending on how it looks and the packaging, I may decide to get rid of these and just hold on to those. And if that is the case, although, damn it, man, isn't the whole point to have memories in the shoes? God, I'm kind of conflicted. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on this. Like, I was thinking maybe selling these with their box, or not even selling, doing a giveaway for these with the box, and I'll like sign it and maybe throw in a personalized note to whoever wins the giveaway, because you guys keep asking me for giveaways. Maybe we'll do that with this shoe since the update is coming back. But then I'm wondering, like, or is it more appropriate to hold on to the original because, or not the original, but like the one I had, because the memories I've built in the shoe are in this shoe? Or is it just more important to have a version of that shoe and just keep updating the retros just so I can continue to have the most up-to-date of the retro, you know, because it's never going to be the OG. I don't have the ones from the original release, so it doesn't really matter all that much. I don't know. Decent debate to have, I think. So why don't you guys sound off in the comments. But otherwise, yeah, man.
That's sad. So see you soon. Bye.